Swallowing is one of the most complex neuromuscular interactions in the body. If you're having difficulty swallowing and you're not having a food allergy, you could suffer from dysphagia. Speech-language pathologist Rebecca Hill with Lake Ear, Nose, and Throat explains the non-invasive procedure she performs to look inside the throat.
The video stroboscopy evaluation is a very specialized piece of equipment that we're very proud to offer at Lake ENT. When a patient comes in for video stroboscopy evaluation, the actual procedure only takes 2 to 5 minutes. I take a rigid endoscope with a very strong light and magnification lens on the very tip of it. We shine the light in the back of the patient's mouth and they vocalize one easy sound for us. The sound is E, and that lifts the larynx so that we can visualize the vocal folds and the vocal fold motion and movement. Dysphagia means swallowing disorder. And there are 3 phases to swallowing. The first is the oral phase, which occurs in the mouth. The second phase is in the throat, which is called the pharyngeal area, which we do have control over. The third phase is the esophageal, which is the tube that leads to the stomach, and that for the most part is passive, so we can't really control that. So we're very excited to offer dysphagia services in the practice. For swallowing disorders, we do specific exercises to strengthen their throat muscles so that they can return to eating and drinking fluids, their favorite foods that they enjoy, as long as it's safe. Our main concern is the patient's health and safety. Frequently when you have pharyngeal dysphagia, which means the swallowing disorder occurs in the throat or in the mouth, the food may be directed into the lungs instead of the stomach. So our main goal then is to provide the patient with the ability to eat safely.
The exact prevalence of dysphagia is unknown, but some studies report that it could be as high as 22% in those over the age of 50. For more information on the diagnosis and treatment of swallowing disorders and to make an appointment at Lake Ear, Nose, Throat and Facial Plastic Surgery, please follow the Swallowing Solutions StoryLink icon on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.